Today's video feature is lifetime medical treatment in a workers' compensation case. It would be given as part of an overall workers' compensation award, but it is a prize that you never want to receive. If you get this, it means that you have been very seriously injured and you are going to feel the effects for the rest of your life. Now, there are a number of scenarios, and I'll go over each of them. The most common is where there is a prosthetic device put into your body during surgery. It may be a titanium rod in your arm or leg, or plates and screws, or a wire cage around some part of your spine, usually your lower back or neck. Under the law, the workers' comp insurance carrier is responsible for that prosthetic device for life. However, an intervening, superseding accident will interrupt that liability, and that's why we typically like to resolve those cases on a full release or clincher basis so that you are protected. A bird in hand sort of thing. A second scenario is where you are rendered permanently and totally disabled. That means you're not able to work in any meaningful capacity, and therefore you get medical treatment for life for those body parts that are injured. Again, because there are risks, we like to fully release the carrier and then pursue a Social Security disability award. The final way, in the most serious and fortunately the most rare, is where you are blinded or rendered paralyzed, either a paraplegic where you're paralyzed from the waist down, or a quadriplegic where you're paralyzed from the neck down. Those are obviously the most serious cases, and again, fortunately, they are rare. So that's the scenarios where you get lifetime medical treatment. Our hope and prayer is that if you are injured on the job, you have a full recovery with no permanent effects, and you get some sum for your trouble. But you certainly do not want this part of a claim.